Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. We got another beautiful TMG Pit rolling out shop today. This just so happens to be going to the great state of Texas. Man, I'll tell you what, we sell a lot of barbecue pits in Texas. I love Texas, all right? This one's going to Man Vidal, the Heritage 60. Now, not the most popular unit we sell, but hey, she looks great. It's going to cook great, so let's check it out. So like I said, Heritage 60, that is a double door cooker here. It's got 2 doors, 4 trays, all sliding trays, of course. Bottom and top, they all slide out, making for easy access, of course. Now, this is a reverse flow smoker. We've got 3 removable plates down in here. You can pick them up out, clean up underneath the smoker. We also have charcoal pans as an add-on. You can put in there, use it as a charcoal cooker. Works out great. He did get our, the complimentary ash poker got in the way. I'll put that back in there. Did get our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometer, of course, made in the USA. Stainless steel front shelf. As you can see, it is on our off-road package with the upgraded wheels and tires from Mods. Fold-down smokestack, too. This sucker's tall. If you're going to go in and out of your garage, into the trailer, hey, you got to think about that kind of stuff, guys. Get the fold-down stack. Cost a little extra, but when you're going to roll into your garage and then you hit the top of your house and it doesn't fit in your garage, it's worth a little extra. Anyways, we got our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here, guys. Y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space just in the hot box alone. I mean, wow. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, this does run completely independent from the smoke chamber, so you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once on the same fire. Works out extremely well. You can also get direct fire in there, do wood-fired pizzas. You can grill in there. You can do just about anything in there. I wouldn't live in there, but other than that, about anything. On the firebox here, this is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel. He did get our fire management cradle in there. There are those D-ring tie downs I was telling you about. Ash clean out on the bottom. Hey, Vidal, he is ready to rock and roll. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.